Cash cow YouTube channels are channels with the sole purpose of making money. The owners of the channels often outsource a lot of the work like script writing and editing to external freelancers, and the owners don't actually usually appear on camera themselves. In this video, I'll go over some cash cow YouTube channel ideas as well as some examples. Now, my name is Cairo. This channel is my $1 million hustle challenge. I'm trying to get my net worth from 0 to over $1 million within the next 3 years. So if you want to join me on that adventure, crush the like button and let's get into the video. A cash cow YouTube channel is a YouTube channel that aims to get lots of views that they can then monetize through YouTube ads, through affiliate links, through sponsorships, brand deals, as well as selling their own products. And it could also be a combination of all these different monetization types. Now, I've previously made a video talking in depth about YouTube CPMs, so I'll link that one in the cards as well as down in the description for you to watch later. But in short, CPM refers to how much advertisers are willing to pay to advertise their videos per 1,000 views. So the higher the CPM, the more your channel will make in terms of ad revenue. However, that doesn't necessarily mean that your cash cow channel has to focus on a high CPM niche. I'll talk more about that after I show you our first high CPM example. Now, the personal finance niche is one of the highest paying niches on YouTube, and the channel Alux is one of the giants in this space. They make videos about wealth, about luxury, and about personal finance. Now, with this Alux example, let's pessimistically assume an RPM of $10. Now, what does RPM stand for? That basically stands for revenue per mil, and that is how much the content creator is actually getting after YouTube takes their cut. So an RPM of $10 will probably be leading to a CPM of $20, $23 because you don't actually get paid for every view on your channel. You get paid for the monetized views on your channel. Those are the views when an ad was actually watched. So to figure out how much Alux made from this particular video, and pessimistically speaking, we take the total number of views, so that's 237,389 views. We divide that by 1,000 and then we times it by 10, 10 being the RPM. And that gives us a total projected revenue for this one video of $2,373. That's just one video, and they have videos that have racked up millions and millions of views. So this is one of their newer ones. It only has less than 250,000, but with time it is likely to keep growing, as has been shown by some of their more popular videos. Now, to contrast Alux to a completely different niche, let's look at one that has a far lower CPM. So let's take Strictly Skateboarding, a channel that is the polar opposite to Alux, and let's have a look at how much they might be earning with a much lower CPM. Now, a channel like Strictly Skateboarding, they might be only getting a CPM of $4 or $5, so an RPM, revenue per mil, of maybe around $2. So that is a fifth of what Alux is pessimistically likely to get. Now, these numbers are just estimates, but obviously an Alux video would make more in ad revenue than a skateboarding video might. But this is where Strictly Skateboarding is being very smart, and they are monetizing in other ways. Now, if you click on any of their videos, you go to the description, you will see a link to their website. Now, on this website, they're selling their own branded products. They're selling their own branded skateboards. They're selling merchandise like hats and t-shirts, and they are likely making loads of money from this site because the people that they are making videos for are skateboard enthusiasts. So what would a skateboard enthusiast like? Skateboarding apparel, skateboarding merchandise, skateboarding decks, skateboarding wheels. So it's perfectly aligned with their target audience on YouTube. So now let's have a quick look at how much they're probably making from ads. We can use a site called Social Blade. Just go to socialblade.com, you type in the channel name, and you can see an estimate for how much that channel is making from ads. So in Strictly Skateboarding's likely scenario, this is taking into account a CPM of between 25 cents and $4. So I think they're probably closer to the $4 mark, but you can usually take these two numbers and find the middle point to get a kind of average estimate of how much the channel is earning. So even with a lower CPM, they are likely earning about £170,000 a year. So that's even more in US dollars. Now, depending on the number of eyeballs that see their link and then go to their personal website to buy products, they are likely making far more than this in terms of revenue from their merch sales than they are in terms of the YouTube ad revenue. Now, I'm sure you've come across these types of videos while browsing YouTube, and they are top 10 videos and compilation videos. They work really well as cash cow channels, and loads of cash cow channels actually fall into these categories. So let's look at one, for example. It's in the animals and pet niche. So this channel is called Funniest Animals Ever. It's got 677,000 subscribers, and they've only made 58 videos. So that definitely shows that some of these videos have gone viral, because I think they've racked up more than 25 million views so far. That's an incredible hit rate for a channel that actually hasn't uploaded that many videos yet. Even on my channel, I've already almost uploaded half as many videos as that channel has. I definitely don't have 25 million views yet though. So maybe I should be including more funny cat videos in my future content, because I guess the internet loves animal videos. Now, if we take a look at Social Blade for these funniest animal videos, we see that they are making up to £700,000 a year. That is crazy money, especially when you think that they've only uploaded 58 videos, and they are getting this content from the rest of the internet. They are not creating this content themselves. They are sourcing it from other avenues, sourcing it from TikTok, sourcing it from other YouTube channels, sourcing it from Instagram, compiling them into memes, writing clever titles, doing the search engine optimization, and making huge amounts of money for their efforts. So kudos to them. It's really brilliant. If you're thinking about starting a cash cow channel, clearly this is a smart move. What they are not maximizing though is one of the other revenue streams. They could definitely be putting affiliate links in the description of their videos. And because they know that their target audience are animal lovers, if they, for example, had a, funniest cats video, they could put an affiliate link in the description to a popular cat food, and then every time someone buys from that link, the channel would make money. Or, for example, if they were making a video about funny dogs, they could put an affiliate link in the description to a dog behavioral training course, and they would make a significant commission on everyone who buys through that link. So that is one avenue that they're seriously missing out on. They could be making hundreds of thousands of dollars extra per year by including affiliate links in the descriptions. So that is something key to remember if you are starting out a cash cow channel, to make use of the different types of monetization. Now, if you want me to make more videos about cash cow channels and cash cow videos, let me know in the description. And if you want to join me on my $1 Million Hustle Challenge, join the adventure, make sure you crush the like button and subscribe. I'm posting 3 videos every week. You can watch these side hustle videos and these videos about growing on YouTube next. I'll see you in the next video. Let's hustle together.